Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
Let's practice English for today's lesson is going to give you the answers. Let's go to the first slide. So the question was, write the pronouns that come after the verb. For example, give me. So me is a pronoun that comes after the verb. So do you know all the pronouns that come after the verb? Let's see the answers in the next slide. So pronouns that come after the verb, we call them object pronouns because they come after the verb. So the first pronoun is me. Give me. Listen to me. Help me. The second pronoun is you. I help you. I understand you. The third pronoun is him. Tell him. I help him. The next pronoun is her. Help her. I help her. It. I know it. I understand it. I eat it. So these are for the singular form. Let's go to the plural form. Help us. They understand us. They listen to us. You in the plural form. I help you all. So it's plural. Help them. Listen to them. Give them. So these are the answers. Try to practice them and to remember them. So let's go to the second slide. In the second slide, we have write the pronouns that come before nouns or adjectives and nouns. So these pronouns, for example, let's take mother as a noun. So the pronoun that comes after mother, it's not I. We don't say I mother. We don't say mother me. So the pronoun is my mother, my mother, my father, my sister, my brother, my school. So do you know the family of these pronouns? Let's see the slide, the answers. So the answers, so these pronouns, we call them possessive pronouns. So we have my school, my class, my teacher, your, or we can say my beautiful mother, my dear mother. So we have adjective and a noun. My house, my amazing house. So we use it with nouns or adjectives and nouns. Your car or your expensive car. His friend, his intimate friend. So we have adjective and noun. Her cat, her cute cat. Its size, its small size. Our garden, our lovely garden, our mother, our father, etc. Your in the plural form, your pens, your colored pens, their country, their beautiful country. So these pronouns, we call them in English possessive adjectives, but I put pronouns just to remember because it's very difficult to remember possessive adjectives, so I put possessive pronouns, but they are called possessive adjectives. My, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. My father, your father, his father, her father, our father, your father, their father. My country, your country, his country, our country, your country, their country. Let's go to number 3. So in number 3, write the pronouns that come before the verb. So if I take verb speak, can we say speak me? Or me speak? No. Can we say me speak? No. Can we say my speak? No. So we say I speak. So let's see the answers. So the pronouns that come before the verb, we call them subject pronouns because they come before the verb, because they do the verb. The first pronoun is I. The second pronoun, you. In the third pronoun, we have 3 pronouns: he, she, it. This is singular form. In the plural form, we have we, you, they. So let's repeat after me these pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. So why I did let's practice English number 4, and I repeated these in the 4 lessons. Let's practice English 1, 2, 3, and 4 because they are very, very, very important. And the students, they should know them by heart. You should know them. Okay, you shouldn't have any problem with them, because if you want to continue learning with me in this channel, so you need to know these things. If you don't know them, you cannot continue learning with me, because these are very important and basic.